In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the best keyword on Ubersuggest in 2025 with this step-by-step guide. If you're looking to enhance your SEO strategy or boost your website traffic, finding the right keywords is essential, and Ubersuggest is a powerful tool to help you achieve that. First, start by heading over to Ubersuggest by visiting the website neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you might need to sign up first. Logging in will give you access to all the features we'll discuss today, so don't skip this part. Now that you're logged in, it's time to type in your chosen topic. Think broad and general here. Enter a keyword or theme related to your niche, like fitness, digital marketing, or home decor. Once you've typed that in, hit the search button. This is the starting point that will allow Ubersuggest to analyze data and bring back relevant keywords. Once the search results are in, navigate to the Keyword Ideas section. You'll find this option on the left menu bar. When you click on it, you will be presented with detailed insights including search volume, which indicates how many people are searching for these keywords each month. You'll also see SEO difficulty and paid difficulty, both of which give you an idea of how hard or easy it is to rank for these terms, as well as CPC or cost per click. Understanding these metrics helps tailor your approach based on your goals, whether it's organic reach or paid campaigns. With this information in hand, it's time to identify the best keywords for your strategy. Ideally, you're looking for keywords that have a high search volume but low SEO difficulty. These are often known as low-hanging fruit, keywords that can potentially drive more traffic with less competition. Additionally, focus on long-tail keywords. These typically consist of 3 or more words, making your search more specific and often less competitive. For instance, instead of just aiming for home decor, you could use aesthetic home decor. Once you've narrowed down potential keywords, it's useful to filter them further. In Ubersuggest, use the filtering option to screen for keywords with SEO difficulty below 35 and search volume above 100. These parameters will help you hone in on keywords that have a balance of traffic potential and achievability. After applying these filters, you have the choice to export your best keywords to a CSV file. This is handy for reference or to share with your content team to start working on new content. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective method to find the best keywords using Ubersuggest. By following these steps, you'll develop a strong foundation to boost your online presence and achieve better results in 2025. Happy keyword hunting, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your digital presence.